Respected Chairperson, Sir Principal, Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, it's me, Utsav Raj Bhattacharya from grade 5. Today I am here to share a short speech about Bhanu Jayanti. Bhanu Bhakta Acharya was born in 13th of July 1814 in Chandi Ramgarh village of Tanau district in Nepal. Though he received Sanskrit education from his grandfather, he was motivated to do something to make his name eternal from a grass cutter of his neighborhood. After a long thought, he concluded that he can be successful in translating the Sanskrit language written Ramayana, long Hindu Lord Ram related epic into Nepali language. Thus he began transcribing the whole Ramayana in a beautiful and rhythmic manner into Nepali language. Finally, he translated all the 7 parts of Ramayana into Nepali language. The motivation he received from the grass cutter has been expressed in one of his creations and translated to English by Pallav Rajna in the following manner. He gives life to cutting grass and earns little money. He hopes to make a well for his people, so he will be remembered after his death. This high-thinking grass cutter lives in poverty. I have achieved nothing, though I have much wealth. I have neither made rest houses nor a well. All my riches are inside my house. This grass cutter has opened my eyes today. My life is worthless if the memory fades away. Today these books have become so popular that the people in and outside Nepal, especially in rural areas, have made it a friend of happiness, sorrow, inspiration and problem. If one visits religious rites, rituals and marriages, one can find people reciting the rhythmic rhymes of the epic. Even the people in the deep forest where they graze their cattle keep reciting the verses rhythmically. This literary creation of Bhanu Bhakta has remained in the tongue, heart and hand of the people. Bhanu Bhakta did not just translate the Sanskrit written Ramayana into Nepali but also composed many poems in a beautiful and rhythmic patterns. His poems like Prasnottar, Kantipuri Nagari, etc. are also popular among the Nepali literature. The following is an English translated piece by Pallav Rajan from Nepali Kantipuri Nagari. After so many days I have seen the Balaji water gardens again, and I write that underneath earthly sky this is a heaven. All around me are birds that sit or swing upon vines. Maybe these short voices they intend to steal my mind. Bhanu Bhakta Acharya is regarded as Adi Kavi, means the beginner poet or the first poet in Nepali language. It is his creation that Nepali language has become very popular among the people. It is his creation that laid the foundation of Nepali literature. Thus people pay due respect and honor him every year on 13th July as Bhanu Jayanti. People recite poems and organize poem recitation competition. In his reverence, in many places statues and idols are made. In many places the street and roads are called after his name. Today all over the world where there are Nepali speaking people are commemorating his 201st birth anniversary. Sir, what to say? Bhutanese in diaspora are also commemorating his anniversary. Thank you.
Thank you, Utsav Raj Bhattacharya.